हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे। हम लोग एक चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, पॉलिनोमियल्स। आई नो कि पॉलिनोमियल्स क्या है, नहीं है, थोड़ी बहुत बातें आपने पहले सीखी होगी, राइट। सो हम लोग यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं कि पॉलिनोमियल्स के पूरे बिगिनिंग से, स्टार्टिंग से शुरू करते हैं, ताकि आपको जैसा भी कोई प्रॉब्लम और कंफ्यूजन न हो, राइट। तो अगर ध्यान से इस वीडियो को स्टार्टिंग से आप देखते हैं और थोड़ा सा ध्यान लगा देते हैं, यू पे लिटिल मोर अटेंशन और पे एफर्ट टू ग्रैस्प द थिंग, तो आई होप यू विल नेवर गेट एनी प्रॉब्लम फॉर योर फ्यूचर इन क्लास 9 एज वेल एज इन 10 टू अंडरस्टैंड द पॉलिनोमियल्स। ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पर पॉलिनोमियल्स की। तो पॉलिनोमियल इज मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स। इफ यू पे अटेंशन हियर, normally the word is made up of poly and another word is your nomials. Okay, so poly word meaning is poly means many and nomial means term. So we say altogether polynomial is an algebraic expression. Okay, it is an algebraic expression having many terms. Many terms. Okay, so what is algebraic expression? That also important to understand. Okay, so here we'll see that algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables. You know that in algebra we are using the two terms. One term is constant, in which we use the numerals. Another term is your variables, in which we use the letters. So numbers are the constant values since it has a fixed, and the letters which you are using, that is your variables, because it can take the different values at different situations. So combination of your letters and variables along with the fundamental operation like plus, minus, into, division all together is known as algebraic expression. So any algebraic expression is termed as polynomials. So polynomial is of types we discuss. For example, we are taking here to understand examples of this polynomials are like one is your 3x, another we can say 3x plus y, or we can say 5x plus 2y. Here we see this is the numbers and this is the variables here involved with the into sign. Here 3 into x plus y. So these two variables and one constant are associated with your into and plus sign. Okay, so here also we find all are associated with constants and variables associated with into and plus sign. So altogether these are the examples of polynomials. Okay, now we are coming to the types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. The polynomials we classify on the two bases. On the two bases we classify the polynomials. One is your on the basis of your number of terms associated with the polynomials, and second regarding the degree of the polynomials. Okay, so first we classify about the number of terms. So based on number of terms, okay, so on the basis of number of terms, first type is called monomials. So monomials are those algebraic expressions having only one term. Having only one term. Okay, like 3x. So into that doesn't differentiate the terms. Okay, if it is a plus or minus, then only it differentiate the terms. If into and divide is there, they are considered as one term. Like 3x is also one term because 3 into x. Similarly, if we write 5x by 2, so this also is a one term. If 5 into x divided by 2, as already said, into and division doesn't differentiate the numbers, so they will together we count the single number. Get it? So 3x is one term, 5x by 2 is also one term, like that. So these are your called monomials. Why? Because it has only one term. Okay. Now come to the next one. Second is we say this is called binomials. Bi. The bi word indicates two. Bi means two. So nomial means term. So if we simply analyze the term, we get the exact definition. So bi means two and nomial means term, means it has having only two terms. So having two terms are called binomials. Example, one is suppose x, other is y, and if we put in between plus, then plus differentiate the terms. The x is one term, y is second term, and all together it has x plus y is two terms, and this two term means binomial. Again we can say like 5x minus 3y. Here you will see 5x is one term and 3y is another term. So by together you say there is a two terms, one term is 5x and second term is minus 3y. So together it is called binomial, right? Similarly, we have the third type is your trinomials. Trinomials. So trinomials, by the name only, tri means three. Tri means three, nomial means term. So exactly the polynomials having only three terms are called trinomials. Okay. So trinomial is the having algebraic expression having only three terms. Having only three terms is called your trinomials. If we take example of it, the example, suppose simple example x plus y plus z. You have taken three variables x, y, z and they are associated with 2 plus size, one term, two term, three term. So this whole together is known as your trinomial. Similarly, one more example I am taking like 5x square minus 2x plus 3. Here also you are finding this is the one term, this is the second term, this is the third term. So it has also the three terms, is called your trinomials. Got it? So one term, monomial, two term, binomial, three terms, trinomial. So one term, monomial, two term, binomial, and three terms, trinomial. Similarly, if we say four terms, do you know four? In chapter number quadrilateral, we say quadrilateral. Why? Quadri means four, lateral means side. So four side is quadrilateral. Here is this polynomial. Quadri means four, nomial means term. So if it is having four terms, we will say quadrinomials. Okay. So fourth one is your quadrinomial. Sometimes it is also called tetranomials. Reason that tetra means also be four and quadri means also is four. Quadrinomial or tetranomial. Okay. So like this example, very simple. Take any four term like 3x plus 2y minus 2z plus 5. So here we are finding 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. This is quadrinomial. Okay. Now, in general, if it like that pentanomial, hexanomial, pentanomial, hexanomial, here 5 terms, and like that it will keep on going. Hexanomial, heptanomial, octanomial, like number according to number of terms. Clear? So now I am coming to the second type. Based on your degree. based on degree. And you know what is called degree. What is called degree? Already we have done in the basic part. Degree is the maximum power of variables in an expression. Any algebraic expression, if we see what are the variables, and on the variables which one is the maximum power. So the maximum power of variable is known as degree of the polynomials. Okay, now degree, already you know that here we are talking about the first type is linear polynomial. Linear polynomials. Linear polynomials are those polynomials whose degree is 1. Whose degree is 1. Degree is 1, you will understand just now. If we take an example like 3x plus 5. What is the variable here? Variable is x. What is the variable? Variable is x, and variable is having power 1. So this is called first degree polynomial, and then it is your linear polynomial. Is it? Like 5 by 2 x plus 3 by 5. This also we say this is a polynomial having x is variable, and the variable x is having power 1. So this is your first degree polynomial, or degree of polynomial is 1, and this is your linear polynomial. Clear? Second type is called quadratic. Quadratic polynomials. Okay, so quadratic polynomials, say the quadratic word indicates the value 2. Quadratic word indicates value 2. So simply we say any polynomial whose degree is 2 is called your quadratic polynomial. Like example, if I am taking 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So this is a polynomial in which variable is x, variable is x. Two places variable is given x. Okay, one place variable power x is 2, and the second term variable power x is 1. So power is 2 and power is 1. So maximum power is 2. So this is the degree 2, or the polynomial having the degree 2. Is it? So the second degree equation is called your quadratic equation. Right? In general, we can say ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial in which a should not be equal to 0, b and c can be 0. Is it? Here you say in this example, value of a is 3, value of b is minus 5, and value of c is minus 2. But if we take the example like this, 5x squared minus 2. So this also is a quadratic polynomial. Reason, here the variable is x, power is 2. If we compare with this, we will find value of a is 5, value of c is 2, and value of b is missing because x term is not here. So constant value b is not here. Similarly, in general linear polynomial, we can write in general form ax plus b, where your a cannot be 0. Then this form it any number. You say here the example, here this example, this both are form of this. Similarly, this two are in the form of this. Right? Now third one. One more type is there. If we take the degree 3, that is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials. The cubic, cube what indicates the 3 number. Was it? Okay. So cube what indicates the value 3. The cubic polynomials, any algebraic polynomial, any polynomial whose degree is 3. So degree 3 is called degree 3. Then it is called your cubic polynomial. Okay. In general form, if you write, so first ax degree 3, so maximum power is 3. Then b decreasing order x square plus cx plus d. So this is the general form standard form of a cubic polynomial, where it is compulsory that constant coefficient of the variable x cube should not be 0, so a cannot be 0. B, C, D can be 0. So here we are taking the example. Suppose to understand the example, we can write here like x cube minus 2x square plus 4. This is a cubic polynomial because variable is x. Here power is 2, here power is 3. So maximum power is 3. So it should be cubic. Got it? So like this, we have done today the introduction of polynomial as well as the different types of polynomial on the basis of number of terms and basis of degree. On the basis of number of term, we have monomial, 1 term, binomial, 2 term, trinomials, 3 term, quadrinomials, 4 term, similarly pentanomials, 5 term, hexanomials, 6 term, and so on. On the basis of degree, if degree is 1, means maximum power of variable is 1, then it is linear polynomial. If it is degree 2, then quadratic polynomial. If it is degree 3, then it is a cubic polynomial. And if it is degree 4, then also one term we can use here. Degree 4 will give you biquadratic. Degree 4 is called biquadratic. Bi means 2, quadratic means 2. So it should be the polynomial whose degree is 4 is called quadratic polynomial. So x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 3. So this is a biquadratic polynomial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, we can define the types on the basis of this same example. This example is also known as, in the basis of number of terms, this is pentanomial because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms, pentanomial. And degrees maximum power is 4. So it is biquadratic. Here you will see this example. Here 1, 2, 3 terms. On the basis of this number of terms, this is a cubic trinomial. 1, 2, 3 terms. But on the basis of degree, this is your quadratic. Understood? So I hope you got the basic concept of your what is polynomial and what is the type of polynomial on the basis of number of terms and on the basis of degree. Clear? Okay. We'll continue in the next value. Till then, bye.